What's up guys, welcome back for the video. And as you can see, I'm sweating a lot because I had to handle this stupid idiot. This cute little stupid idiot to come here. So that we have to take him to the canal home because 2 days is going to be a lot of function here. So there's going to be a lot of guests, there's going to be a lot of work, so no one can attend to him. So we're going to keep him near the canal home, and we're going to show you how beautiful the canal home is and the caretakers are actually are. So it's a beautiful place, it's a beautiful vibe, and as you can see, he loves going there. Broski loves going there. So yeah man, we're gonna go now. It's like 1 hour journey, and me and Prajwal are going on the road trip. So and look at the way Pogo is excited. Look at his tail. Whoa. Hop. Okay, buddy. Okay. Chill out, gang. What's up, bro? Playing some kick-ass music, and we're filling up petrol. And we got Prajwal, and we got Pogo. Look at these stupid ass. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're in the nice road right now. It's gonna be some long journey now, and you see Pogo right there. Pogo's just chilling in the back. Pogo's the king. And now there's a whole nice road. The road is beautiful. And we're gonna go there and show you the place, bro. The canal home is beautiful. And if you guys have dogs, and whoever's watching this, if you wanna keep them somewhere for like some time, this place is a beautiful place. So we'll show you there now. Alright guys, so the highway was done. Right now we're in the village area, and just look at how beautiful the scenery is, bro. The bus is the only pollution thing right now, but trust me, bro, the view is beautiful right now. This guy loves it, bro. Just see how excited he gets all the time when he goes there. And by the way, bro almost left my house in a hurry because I had to take him out. This stupid idiot, this cute little goofball. We'll show you like a B-roll of the beautiful shots over here as well. So next stop is the canal home, guys. So see you all there. Alright guys, so we are here now. The Bidadi canal home is right there. Right now, there's just one dog barking, but as soon as the car sound hits there, you can just hear all the dogs just going ram, bro. Now you'll see now. Oh my god!
That's a peahen.
Bro, what the f?
That's a peahen.
It's a peacock or whatever.
Peahen.
Bro, wow! Oh my god, guys. That's one hell of a beautiful bird right there. It's the national bird, right?
Yeah.
That's the national bird. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh wow. Damn, bro. I did not expect to see a peacock right now. And now you can hear the dogs in 3, 2, 1. Yup, there you go. You all got the hint. Yup. They all know, bro. They all know that we are here. And even look at Pogo. Even Broski knows even we are here. Look how excited he's getting, bro. But just look how beautiful this is kept, bro. We'll show you the inside as well now. This is the beautiful canal home right here. All the dogs are going insane. Even Pogo's going nuts a little bit. She's the Ajay, guys. She's the one who takes care of everything, and she really loves every single dog out here. It's crazy how she actually cares for these dogs. Bro's getting excited. Stop. Hi guys, who was right there? I feel very sad leaving him right now, but he loves it here, bro. By the way, they leave all the dogs out here at evening or sometime, so everyone can play till there. There's a whole acre. So yeah, bro, very nice place, beautiful place. Alright guys, so Po's there now. Kinda feel sad a little bit because I can't see him for 2-3 days. Okay, bro.
bro.
But yeah, I'm not sad because he's gonna freaking love it, bro. I'll be in my home thinking I'm sad and hell, and he'll be like, "Oh, thank I'm here. Thank he's not here, bro." Deadass know that for sure. Whoever wants to keep any dogs over here, just let me know. I'll send you guys the location and details of this place. So the Ajji you saw there, she's a very nice caretaker. She loves every single dog, and every time she even video calls and shows how Pogo's doing. She'll be like, "Love you, Pogo, love you, Pogo." We just see that, and it's so cute and so wholesome. Yeah, man, he's gonna have the time of his life. But I'll be sad at home missing him. Anyway, and now journey back again, bro. Road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip, road trip. We'll see you guys at home, bro. Tea break and look at these cuties. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, cutie patooties. Cutie patooties. Cutie patooties. Oh, oh, you like them biscuits? Kuchi. Oh. Calm down, boys. Calm down. Calm down. Aramag tinnu. Yenagala. Kuchi. Oh, bro, this is so cute. This is so cute. Bro, I miss Pogo, bro. I miss Pogo. Oh, cuties. What? He's like, hold up. Hey, give it up. Oh. Oh. Look at that beautiful view. The sun over there. Oh, wow. Ooh. Bro, those two dogs went away somewhere, bro. I wanted to give them another biscuit, but they went away somewhere. Alright guys, we had some nice tea. If my hair's looking cooked, sorry bro, I'm gonna get a haircut. We drank some tea, it was nice. And those two dogs were very cute and they went away somewhere. I tried to find them, but nah, the next stop is home now, bro. Road trip.
Mosquito.
Oh.
This bitch was right here, bro.
Damn, bro, bro's a ninja. Bro caught him like that.
She's alive. I'm gonna
Kill it.
I'm gonna torture her.
What the fuck?
お前はもう死んでいる。
Bro just said it's gonna torture the
I
fucking...
ripped her legs. Now,
Oh,
now let's see live.
What the fuck is wrong with you,
I'm
bro?
a sadist.
Yo, guys, be aware of him, bro. He might do shit to you, bro.
I'm gonna ruin your lives.
Alright, so next stop is home. Road trip. Alright, let's go. Where? Don't do this while driving, guys. Don't do this while driving. Don't do what I'm doing while driving. Alright guys, so I'm back home now. It was a nice journey. It took like 2.5 hours to go and come back. He'll be really happy now, but I miss him right now because usually he just sleeps here and he just jumps on me. It just irritates me like hell, but I miss him now. But anyway, now I'm gonna sit and start doing some editing. It was nice road trip. And if you guys want to see more, just sub up and like the video and turn on the notification bell. And then just leave a comment, bro. Peace out, bro. See you all in the next video. Go bangers coming, bangers. So subscribe, bro.